I would like to promote Khan Academy here in this video for independent learning. I chose Khan Academy because it's very easy to use. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. I don't even think you have to sign up. You can just go to khanacademy.org and start looking for things. I use it at times when I forget a concept. Basically, it's free tutoring, which people pay good money for tutoring. So why do that when you can do this for free? The purpose that I'm using Khan Academy for is to promote independent learning for my students. Sometimes I encourage students to go here if they need extra practice for something. No instructor is needed for using Khan Academy. The standards that this falls under, the ISTE standards, are over here on the left. They both have to do with independent learning as a designer or a facilitator. And I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to create this video. First thing I did is I went to khanacademy.org, and what I would do here is just if I'm struggling with something in my classroom, for example, if I don't remember what square roots are, if a teacher's teaching square roots and I'm like, I don't know what the heck a square root is, I'm going to go here and I'm just going to do a search for square roots. It's already popping up options for me here. All right, so then it's going to give me all sorts of options for what square roots. Maybe you're talking about quadratics. This is a very basic square roots video, understanding what a square root is. So if you see how this works, this video pops up. So I'm going to click play on this video. I was watching it earlier, so it actually picked up from where I left off. So you can hear this guy explaining what a square root is. So you can watch a little video, and then once you watch it, it gives you practice. Okay, well, what is the square root of 9? Alright, so I'm going to type 3, because the square root of 9 is 3, and then I can check my answer. Good work, I got it. Once you do that, it takes it to the next level over here, cubed roots. So that's not even what I was searching for, but cube roots would be the next level up if you really are understanding cube roots. So you could watch a little video on cube roots, practice cube roots, so on and so forth. So this is a great tool for independent learning, and I really suggest this for teachers who want to promote independent learning.